Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about the Inspire Course Kit. This is a kit you can download and use for your lectures, for example, if you are a teacher. But you can also use it as a student to make a safe-paced, self-guided way of learning the tool Inspire. So this video is just a quick summary about what it is and where to find it, and we will dive into the topic a lot more in the coming days and weeks. All right, let's get started. Now you can see I already went to this link, right? So webaltair.com and then Inspire Course Kit download page, and you can see already the overview, which we will be talking about in a minute. And you can see here a form to fill out and request your download option. You can fill out the form, press download, and you can get the course kit. A course kit consists of a zip file. You can unzip that, and then you have a couple of modules, and those kind of modules we will just quickly talk about. And basically, I think the best way to do this is with the overview. So let's dive into the overview a bit. So you can see it here. You have the different modules, and module 0 is maybe not available. It's still in beta yet, but I will cover it for sure in the video series, and it will be available later for sure. But here in the overview, you start with module 1, and you see those are the different modules in the first column, and then you have the different topics which are covered by which module. So as a teacher, you can see at a glance what lecture, what module teaches what topic. And so you can, for example, also assess maybe some topics your students are struggling with. So you can choose a module to refine their knowledge or refine their exercises. Okay, so let's see what's in there. So we have a module 1, structural 3D. So without further introductions, we're directly starting into 3D dimensional FE. So we have loads here with force and supports. We have a material definition. We have that for all the modules, and then we have contouring because we want to contour some results, and that's about it for the first. So you can see or guess as a teacher, this module will be a gentle, easy introduction to 3D structural mechanics, or 3D FEA, I would say. Then the next thing is structural 2D. There you go into the simplification area where you want to have a 3D part for sure, but then model it as a 2D. And you see that there is mesh refinement also in there. Besides that, it's pretty similar to the structural 3D. Then you have modal analysis, which is its own topic for sure. Then we have buckling analysis, also its own topic. Then multi-part assemblies. This is also a quick introduction into how to do assemblies. Then we have inertial relief analysis. That's more or less a bit of a special topic. Not every industry or every product needs analysis such as this. So as a teacher, you could also choose to leave that one out. For example, if you're teaching more about, I don't know, something which does not cover inertial relief analysis like drones, there it's pretty important. You can definitely also tailor it to your own needs. Then optimization and motion, those are I think the most interesting ones, but I'm biased because I'm kind of an optimization guy here. So that's pretty interesting, but it's also labeled intro because the topic is quite more, there's more there to unpack than this module would cover. That's why there's an intro here, but you can see it covers already some basic topology optimization, for example, and also the polynerb, so like the geometric definition after a topology optimization is also covered in the optimization intro. So basically it's a full optimization intro. And motion similarly, it's the same thing here also. Like you get a first glimpse of how this works, how to define motors, motions, bearings and stuff like that, how to read also for example the forces at a bearing point. Also very interesting stuff. So all in all, I think this is quite a good module, module-based introduction to Inspire. With this course kit, I would definitely recommend you check it out. If you're teaching Inspire, 100% I would recommend that. And if you're a student, then check it out as well. If your teacher or your course, or if you're self-taught, if your course does not offer that already, take a look. Just take a glimpse through the folders. load the models in. They come also with videos. So I will just give you a glimpse that you see how it's set up. So you can see here, for example, you have module 0. This is a bit more, but module 1, you can see there's like introduction, like a PowerPoint or a PDF. You have a video talking about it. Well, talking, it's not like narrated, but mostly with wait a second, with screen annotations, like so. So you can see how to go through this, and you can see that there are annotations to help you guide you through. So this is pretty much ready for self-paced learning. So you can just give that to your students and walk through there. For sure there will be questions, so definitely you have to be the guide at the side, but you don't have to be like clicking everything just to show it. That's not necessary. So the course can be really a resource for self-taught learning. Yeah. And so the structure is more or less the same. You have like a PDF with guides, you have a video, you have the model, and you also have the solution. So if you don't know what to do, then just drag in the solution and just check it. That's also a great help, I would say. Yeah, but I would say the next videos about this kind of thing will cover each module separately and just give a little brief overview of how it's done, narrated, that it's just, well, another resource to help you with. If you like that, if you don't like that, give a comment below. I'm always happy to hear some constructive criticism or some advice or some requests for what you would like or what you would want to hear or want to see. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see you in the video series. All right, bye guys.